My name is Yash Sinhal and I am currently a student of the 2-year integrated classroom program at Champions Academy. My study is going very well at Champions Academy currently. The way Champions has moved on to the online platform has been quite impressive for me. All my doubts are getting cleared and I'm very sure of my January attempt with JEE Mains this time. The Abhyas system is very good at Champions Academy. Firstly, it gives me the flexibility of choosing after each lecture whether to do level 1 questions, level 2 questions according to the time I have with other subjects and my focus on JEE Mains or JEE Advanced. Next, it always keeps me on the run, it never lets me slack, so I know that I'm not going wrong. Even if I do get some questions wrong, there are answers and I give tests. So Abhyas system is actually very rigorous but at the same time very helpful. So my difficult subject was physics, in which I was struggling in the beginning, and difficult topics were especially rotation and most of mechanics part. But Dhirendra Singh sir and RK Singh sir helped me to overcome these difficulties in the period from January to March, which has helped me to score in my abroad education AP exams and has got me back on track. Now I am able to score better in physics than maths and chemistry. It has become one of my strongest subjects. Dhirendra Singh sir would be undoubtedly my favorite faculty at Champions Academy. The way he has taught me physics is very unique. The pedagogy he uses builds on mathematics, that if you are good at mathematics you'll automatically get physics. So this I feel keeps the least memory load in these 2 years, that if I'm good at mathematics I do good at physics too. Yes, definitely I would recommend Champions Academy to my friends and juniors, because Champions has a very student-centered learning approach. Unlike other institutes where maybe in the first year they start distributing students in different batches based on their performance, Champions does not do that. And this is the reason why I've been able to overcome difficulties in my weak subjects. And even my friends have been able to, over the last year, get guidance from the top faculty of Champions irrespective of their performance, which has been really encouraging for everybody. And I feel this is important to crack JEE Mains. Other than the hard work one must give in, the flexibility and the encouragement that the institution offers, and Champions Academy is the best institution right now for that.